Very good morning, students. Today we will discuss about qualitative analysis of carbohydrates. Okay, so simple introduction, we give a carbohydrate is the organic compounds. Okay, in general formula is CmS2O, and M and N is a number. Okay, which may be 1 2 3 4. Okay, and that is consist only of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and the last two in the 2 ratio 1 atom ratio. Okay, then we will discuss what is the test. Well, there are various tests for the carbohydrate. First we will discuss about Moles test. So the Moles test, it is a chemical test for all carbohydrates and some compounds containing carbohydrates, right? So what is the procedure of the Moles test? This is the procedure for 1 monosaccharides and 1 polysaccharides. Place 2 ml of carbohydrate solution in a solution. It may be dextrose, glucose, okay, and 1 drop of Moles reagent, which is the 10% alpha naphthalene ethanol solution, and par 1 to 2 ml concentrated H2SO4 in the side of the test tube. So it is from the ring. Okay, it is a brown color due to must be ignored and the test should be repeated. Okay, so यदि आपका ब्राउन कलर प्रेसिपिटेट आ रहा है, दैट इज विल बी ग्लूकोज और मोनोसेकेराइड इज प्रेजेंट इन देयर सैंपल. Second test, we will discuss about Fehling test. The Fehling test solution is used to determine the presence of reducing sugar and aldehyde. Okay, this test performed with fructose, glucose, maltose and sucrose. So the procedure of this test is in the solution to 1 ml of Fehling solution A, which is the aqueous solution of CuSO4 copper sulfate, and add 1 ml of Fehling solution B, which is the solution of potassium tartrate, and add 2 ml of sugar solution. जो भी अपन बनाते हैं या वो ग्लूकोज का हो सकता है, मे बी फ्रक्टोज सॉल्यूशन, मे बी माल्टोज, राइट. So and mix well and boiled in a test tube. Okay, then the red precipitate of cuprous oxide that form an end of the reaction. Okay, so if the red precipitate will be formed, it means in their sample carbohydrate is present. Okay, next test is the Benedict test. The Benedict test for the carbohydrate solution, when Benedict solution and simple carbohydrate are heated, the solution changes to orange red or brick red. This reaction is caused by the reducing properties of simple कार्बोहाइड्रेट. ओके, मीन्स जब हम उसे गर्म करते हैं तो हम जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट हो वो क्या हो जाते हैं, रिड्यूस हो जाते हैं, और वो ऑरेंज रेड या ब्रिक रेड कलर हमको देता है. सो व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर ऑफ दिस टेस्ट? सो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1 ml सैम्पल सॉल्यूशन मीन्स वही हमारा कार्बोहाइड्रेट का सॉल्यूशन. ओके, इज प्लेस्ड इनटू द क्लीन टेस्ट ट्यूब. ओके, टेक 1 ml of sample solution in a test tube, then 2 ml of Benedict reagent, which is the copper sulfate solution, added in the test tube. Then the solution heated in a boiling water bath 3 to 5 minutes and observe the color change in the test tube. If the red color or red precipitate are formed, then in the sample carbohydrate will be present. Then a Barford test. The Barford reagent cupric acetate in acetic acid. It is slightly acidic and balanced so that it can only be reduced by monosaccharides. So what is the procedure? So to 1 to 2 ml of Barford reagent, add an equal volume of sugar solution. Okay, then boil for 5 minutes. You will observe the brick red color of cuprous oxide precipitate, right? Then sixth will be Sally-Vonov test. In this test, this is test performed with the glucose, fructose, maltose and sucrose. So in this, the procedure of this test: heated 1 ml sugar solution with 3 ml of Selivanov reagent, which is the 0.5 gram resorcinol per liter, 10% HCl, right? resorcinol का solution in 10% HCl में in boiling water. Then less than 30 seconds, the red color must be appear for the ketones, right? The seventh test is the inversion of sugar. This test, sucrose is a disaccharide, which means that it is a molecule that is derived from two simple sugar, right? क्योंकि मोनोसैकेराइड्स एक सिंगल यूनिट होता है एंड डाइसैकेराइड्स क्या होता है, 2 यूनिट्स होते हैं, राइट? देन अ प्रोसीजर फॉर दिस: added 5 ml of sucrose solution to 2 test tube. Okay, then 5 drops of concentrated H2SO4 to 1 test tube and heat both tube in boiling water bath. Cool and neutralize the dilute NaOH, then test tube solution for the presence of reduced sugar with Fehling test. Okay. Then 8th is the iodine test. This is a very simple test. In this test, 2 to 3 ml of polysaccharide solution, it may star solution can be taken, and added 1 to 2 drops of iodine solution on the test tube, in the test tube, and observe the color. So the in this test, the boiled or blue black ring formed, which confirm the presence of carbohydrate. And this is the result of overall test. Moles test: purple color ring junction of 2 layers, means carbohydrate is present. Then in a 3 ml sugar solution and iodine solution, blue color आता है iodine solution में, it may be starch present. Fehling test: then 2 ml Fehling solution जो मैंने प्रोसीजर बताई थी, उसमें हमारा रेड प्रेसिपिटेट यदि आपका आता है, then the reducing sugar is present. In the Benedict test, if red precipitate is formed, then the reducing sugar is present in your sample. In a Barford test, if brick red precipitate is formed, then monosaccharide is present. If brick red precipitate after 10 minutes, then disaccharides is present in your sample. In Selivanov test, if the red color after boiling brown red precipitate is formed, then the fructose or sucrose will be present in your sample. And in Osazone test, if needle-shaped crystals are formed, then it means glucose or fructose is present in your sample. Okay, so this is the overall result. This table of the result of overall test we will perform on the carbohydrate. It is a qualitative test of the carbohydrate. Okay, thank you.